Shell script, execute a Python program from within a shell script. I've tried Googling the answer but with no luck. I need to use my work's supercomputer server, but for my Python script to run, it must be executed via a shell script. For example, I want job.sh to execute python_script.py. How can this be accomplished?
Just make sure the Python executable is in your path environment variable, then add in your script. Details. In the file job.sh, put this. Execute this command to make the script runnable for you. chmodu plus x job.sh, run it, ./job.sh.
Method 1. Create a shell script. Suppose you have a Python file hello.py. Create a file called job.sh that contains mark it executable using. Then run it. Method 2. Better, make the Python itself run from shell. Modify your script hello.py and add this as the first line. Mark it executable using. Then run it.
You should be able to invoke it as Python scriptname.py, for example. Also make sure the script has permissions to run. You can make it executable by using chmodu plus x scriptname.py.
Save the following program as print.py. Then in the terminal type
mhole, writing, is quite wrong, especially in these days. Which Python? Python 2.6, 2.7, 3.0, 3.1. Most of times you need to specify the Python version in shebang tag of Python file. I encourage to use. In such case, it's much better to have the script executable and invoke it directly. This way the version of Python you need is only written in one file. Most of system these days are having Python 2 and Python 3 in the meantime, and it happens that the symlink Python points to Python 3, while most people expect it pointing to Python 2.
If you want to cannot, be considered subscribing.